Wish you a very happy birthday, crew, and I love you a lot. And we've got this really special bond, and I cherish that a lot. And what I want to tell Akshay on this particular day is that your wife rocks. Congratulations, you have a hottie there, and she's one of the most fashionista and savvy persons in our whole group, who is, forever trying out these new things and, giving us tips on what to wear, what goes well with the body type, and what makeup can go in your eyes and make it look fuller and make your lips look lush and wow, super sexy. So she's a fashionista of our group, and the most hot and sexiest person too, and who can carry herself so well. And so congratulations to you, Akshay.
Hi Kritika, wish you a very happy birthday. I don't remember when I met you for the first time, because I never felt like I'm meeting you for the first time. It felt like, we've always been friends. And since you're my friend, I like everything about you. You are fun, super crazy, very creative, talented girl, and a doting mother, and I love everything about you. But the thing which I love the most about you is your honesty. You're a beautiful person inside out and always remain the same. Lots of love. Happy birthday once again, and have a lovely milestone birthday.
Dear cool crew, wishing you a very happy 40th birthday. A newly crowned style guru of our gang. हमेशा हंसती हुई शांत क्रू। तेरे बारे में क्या बोलूँ? चल एक शेर अर्ज़ करती हूँ। कुछ वक्त बिताया मैंने भी आपके जैसे ख़ास दोस्तों के साथ। लोग उसे समय कहते हैं और मैं उसे अपनी ज़िंदगी कहती हूँ। लव यू। सबसे ज़्यादा मुझे तेरा जो चीज़ पसंद आती है वो है आराधना 6 सेकंड्स में बॉटम्स अप। जब तू ये बोलती है मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है और वाकई ही करने की इच्छा भी होती है। लॉट्स ऑफ लव टू यू।
Happy birthday to the most crazy and fun-loving friend I have. 40 is the most beautiful age of all, so step into it like a queen. I wish every happiness your heart can hold on, because you're simply the best. Keep calm and remember, 40 is the new 20. So here wishing the most dashing, loving and smart Kritika a very happy birthday.
Hey Kritika, happy birthday. The meaning of Kritika is a star, and I definitely feel that you are a star in the true sense, with your sense of humor, your wonderful ideas, in fact very unique ideas, and the way you get along well with every member in the group. You are a very kind person, you're fun to be with, and you're a fabulous human being. Whenever I look at you, I see how well you live your life. In fact, I always feel that you celebrate life. Keep celebrating life the way you do. Remain like that always. Love you. And many happy returns of the day. Bye.
Hey Kritika, welcome to the 40s Club. Happy birthday to a talented, terrific, tasteful and a trendy girl. Crew, on your birthday today, I wish you abundance of the best things in the world and fulfillment of what your heart desires. May good things always accompany you and you be surrounded by your loved ones. I've said this in the past, that in most interactions that we have had, I have always picked up something from you. Thank you for being open and ready to share. Many happy returns of the day. Have a wonderful year ahead. Lots of love.
Happy birthday, Kritika. On your special day, as you turn another milestone year for you, I want all the happiness for you. I just love the way you own up to everything, good, bad, ugly, hot, saucy, humor, style, fashion, being a super mom, a family person, a friend to go to. I just love everything, and I think the way you have shared your heart with all of us has made all of us share a little bit more about ourselves. And parts of us probably we don't want to own up. We have been able to do that thanks to you opening up the door for all of us. So it has been amazing having you with us, and I just want you to be very, very happy, have all the happiness, all the joy, all the fun that you ever desired to come true, and be that always. Just wish you lots of love.
Hi Kritika, wishing you a very, very happy birthday. I have known you from the kitty, and whatever I have known you, you have come across as somebody who is bold and beautiful. You have a great sense of humor, you are compassionate, and you have a great sense of style and dressing. That is what I admire a lot about you. So wishing you a very, very happy 40th birthday. May the coming year bring you lots of happiness, good luck, good health, and peace of mind. Take care, have a wonderful day and a wonderful year ahead.
Bold and beautiful, strong-headed, sexy, naughty, stylish, and a super cool mom. Yes, that's Kritika for me. Wishing you, dear, a very, very happy birthday. Always stay the same. Keep that bubbliness inside you, always active. And I was very impressed with your secretive things that we shared recently. Love you, dear. Have a great day and a wonderful year ahead.
Happy birthday, Kritika. What I love about you, Kritika, is your beautiful, fantastic, ideating mind, from which come these wonderful, unique ideas. Some are funny, some are full of spunk, just like you. Some are touching, just like you. So it's a mixed bag of everything in your mind, really. And you come up with the most beautiful, wonderful ideas that gives and spreads so much joy all around you. So here's wishing you a fantastic 40th. Have a wonderful day, completely surrounded by love from your family and friends, and a super, super, super year ahead. Love you, Kritika. Loads of hugs.
Hi Sydney! Here's wishing you a lovely 40th birthday. It seems like just yesterday we were in our early 20s in college, and here we are today celebrating your 40th. So time surely does fly, isn't it? On this milestone birthday of yours, may God bless you with immense happiness, love, lots of luck, good health, peace, wealth, prosperity, and tons of travel. May you explore every corner of the world. I guess you're almost there. So on second thoughts, may you explore outer space and its galaxies, and live life as if there is no tomorrow. A shout out to Akshay for making this happen. Hush hush. And this birthday of yours is going to be different than all the others. And all of us have spent our birthdays indoors because we are homebound. So this should not deter you from celebrating your birthday and partying hard. So make sure you have fun with your family, enjoy yourself, have a rocking birthday, and take care of yourself. Stay safe, stay healthy. See you soon. Happy birthday once again.
Surprise! Hi Kritika. Wish you a very, very, very happy birthday. How are you, dear? Hope you're doing great. Okay, I've got something for you for your birthday.
just taking you down the memory lanes. Hope you like it.
So, here we go.
I'm sure it must have made you nostalgic. Well then, once again wish you many happy returns of the day. God bless you. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Hi Baku Atya. Wishing you a very happy 40th. Hope you have a wonderful day and a beautiful year ahead. Missing all the Gango days.
Hey Kritika, wish you many happy returns of the day. Welcome to the 40s Club. It's been ages that I haven't met you. I think probably after college millennium. Hopefully we get to meet soon. Looking forward to it and enjoy your day at the best. Bye.
Happy 40th birthday Kritika. It's been 35 years that I first met you when you were Nia's age, the age that Nia is right now. And it's unbelievable how much time has passed. I wish you a lot of good health, success, prosperity, joy, happiness. Have I covered it all? Those are all my wishes for you, and I wish we could celebrate together. So please drink a few glasses on my behalf. Have fun. Bye.
Happy returns of the day. Happy birthday Kritika Tai. Hi Kritika. Many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday.
Hi.
अनेक आशीर्वाद. तुला लहानपणापासून बघत आलेली आहे. तुझ्या शाळेतल्या मैत्रिणी, कॉलेजमधल्या मैत्रिणी, तुझा मित्रपरिवार, मित्रमैत्रिणी परिवार खूप मोठा आहे. तू खूप ब्रिलियंट आहेस आणि एकदम सोशल लाईफ तुझं खूप छान आहे. अजूनही तुझं सोशल लाईफ खूप छान आहे आणि तू माझ्या विरजाची गुरुमय्या आहेस. जे काम आमच्याकडून होत नव्हतं ते काम तू तिच्याकडनं करून घ्यायचीस. त्याच्यामुळे तुला खूप थँक्यू आणि परत एकदा वाढदिवसाच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा.
हाय, ॲज आई बोलली की तू माझी गुरुमय्या आहेस, तर दॅट इज ट्रू अँड आय स्टील हॅव युअर नेम सेव्ड ॲज गुरुमय्या. आणि कुठून स्टार्ट करू, लाईक फ्रॉम द चाइल्डहुड, फ्रॉम माय चाइल्डहुड यू हॅव बीन देअर ॲज माय बिगेस्ट सपोर्टर. you're not just my sister, you're my friend, you're my mentor, you've been everything to me, and you have been supporting me, teaching me, and making sure that I do learn it with your help. And you also helped me with drawing. Well, that was a bit of a failure from my side, but you tried your level best. And the creativity you have, amazing. And I have just a small sample की हे तू माझ्यासाठी हा फ्रेम बनवलेला for my birthday. It is so amazing and I still have it, and I still do have it, and I do cherish it, and whenever I look at it. And when in my childhood तुझे ओढण्या घेऊन you used to dress me up like this, and then we used to have kind of a fashion show, small little fashion show. Oh my god, when I look at these photos and I feel so blessed to have you there in my life. And then you used to carry my heavy gattu me wherever you went, and you always included me in everything, and that is more than I could wish for. And I know मम्मी मला सांगत असते की you even used to sew frocks for me, and I mean, who does that? It is so amazing that you were there for me my entire life, and you're still there, and you help me, you guide me, and I'm ever so grateful for that. Thank you so much for making my childhood so amazing, and wish you lots of happiness and a great year ahead. And once again, happy birthday.
हॅपी बर्थडे. अनेक अनेक आशीर्वाद.
Happy birthday.
Hi Krutika. How are you? So I just get a message from your husband and he says he wants to make a video, so I have to send you a little snippet wishing you a happy birthday. I think that's very sweet, by the way. So good job, Trivedi ji. Happy birthday, Krutika. I hope you have a wonderful birthday. I hope you age the way you're aging, beautifully, gracefully. And I miss college. I miss the stupid times we spent. I know we didn't spend too much time, but I miss the time we spent. And I really like you more because of your very cute daughter. Trust me, she's very cute. Anyway, how are you going to celebrate your birthday? Get back to me. Send me a video saying how you're going to celebrate it and what was the surprise element for your birthday, and send me photographs and keep in touch. Happy birthday once again.